stock market is on a roller coaster ride, and today is no different. But before you panic, let's break down what's really happening. Are we heading for a major downturn, or is this just another bump in the road? Stick around as we dive into the latest market trends and what they mean for you, right here on Momentum Indicator. Despite today's market dip, it's important to keep things in perspective. The overall trend remains bullish, even though we're seeing some turbulence. This year we predicted a strong market, but with occasional disruptions. Exactly what's playing out now. Initially, investors were optimistic about tax cuts and deregulation, but now the focus is shifting to potential risks like tariffs and policy changes. The recent decline is partly due to weak PMI service numbers and consumer sentiment reports, signaling short-term uncertainty. Additionally, concerns around tariffs and the upcoming debt ceiling debate add to the market's choppiness. While some downside is still possible, we believe the broader bull market remains intact. Growth stocks took a hit today, with companies like Nvidia and Tesla feeling the pressure. Investors are starting to question whether the high expectations built into stock prices are realistic. While many hope for pro-business policies to fuel growth, tariffs and spending cuts could actually slow GDP, something the market doesn't take lightly. We're beginning to see signs of tightening, but the biggest impact is likely still ahead. In response to this uncertainty, investors are shifting toward defensive positions. Treasury yields remain stable, and consumer staples and utilities are holding up well, indicating a cautious approach. The key question now is where the market might be mispricing expectations. The Magnificent Seven stocks still have high earnings projections, but overall, earnings growth may slow in the coming years. Recent downward revisions to 2025 earnings suggest shifting sentiment in the market. So, is this a buying opportunity? Not so fast. We just hit an all-time high recently, and small caps are still lagging behind. While technology remains a solid long-term play, we believe the correction could continue before we see a real buying opportunity. With additional risks on the horizon, the market may need to dip a little lower before presenting the best entry points for investors. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Momentum Indicator for more market insights. Stay ahead of the trends and make informed investment decisions with us. See you in the next update.